welcome back to another video of Catch Up Photography, and I'm Adi. So in this video we are gonna take this pic, the PNGs and all. I'll be giving the link in the description, and we are using picsart to edit this image. So before going to take the pic, if you're seeing my channel for the first time, subscribe it and hit the bell icon so you will be notified instantly whenever I upload these kind of videos. And if you like the video, share it to your friends. Leave your opinion on the comment box, and that's all. Without delaying, let's go to take the pic. To take this pic, I have opened the pic of PUBG in my mobile, and I have kept the charger and rolled it in my hand. So now let's take the pic. So now I have opened our image in the picsart. So first what we need to do is make the mobile screen black. For that, on below there will be several tools. When you scroll, there will be an option called draw. Select it, and there will be two options, draw and color. Select draw. So it will be an interface like this. On the below there will be an image of shapes. Click it and select square, fill. Okay, so zoom in, draw it according to your picture. Okay, then we can save it. So next we can do the basics adjustment. If you go to the starting, there will be tools. Select it, select adjust, and adjust the pic adjust these brightness, contrast and all according to your picture. To make our picture little more bluish, go to effects and select light cross. Okay, then adjust the brightness and all. So okay, this is what I need, and this is the before and this is the after. So next what we need to do is add our PNGs. I'll be giving the link in the description of these PNGs, and these are the two PNGs we need to add. First we need to crop the PUBG's writing. Okay, then zoom. Then when you scroll down, there will be an option called blend. Click it, apply screen. So you can zoom in according to your mobile screen size. So PUBG is all set, and select neon battery, and same as go to blend, select screen. So you have to fix it into our hand. So I want it to be here. Okay, next is we have to add the 1% logo. I searched a lot in Google, but I didn't get it, and for that first we have to crop this. I'll try to give the link of this PNG. If you don't have, you can just download it from Google. So go to blend, apply screen. So fix it. Okay, all good. But our neon battery is little bit tilted, right? So adjust it, and our 1%. Okay, so this is all what we need to do in picsart. So we can save it. And now let's go to Lightroom to color. So first we need to go to temperature. So that color, go to mix, select blue and scroll it to left. Increase the saturation. Yeah, that's all. Then go to profiles and select artistic 4. So adjust it according to your picture. So select it and save it. So now let's see the before and after. This is the before and this is how it looks like after I color graded it. And that's all about the video. If you have any doubt or something, comment down below and follow me on Instagram, guys. The link is in the description. Okay guys, bye bye. I'll be back with this kind of a banger videos. Until that, bye, see you again.